If you're looking to copy and paste your formulas in Microsoft Excel to speed up your process, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you exactly how to do so. So let's check it out. So I've got my data over here. I've got sales for 2022 and I've got sales for 2023, and this is going to be used as example purposes. Now, what I want to do is I want to create a formula. Now, creating a formula is simple. All you need to do is start your cell formula with the equal sign, and let's say we want to use this and we want to minus it from that, and we're going to hit enter, and you'll find that this is the answer, right? So if I was trying to calculate the difference between my sales in 22 and 23, then this would be the difference. Now, what we can do is there's two ways to copy paste this formula exactly. So let's say I want the same formula to be running through all of the rest of the data. And what we can do is on the cell that is selected with your formula in it, you'll see on the bottom right hand side there's a square, and you can click down on it and drag it, and you will now have copied and pasted all of your formula onto these cells over here. Now let's say that I don't want it for every single one of these. Let's say I want to just copy this particular formula. Now what we're going to do is click on it, hold in Control, click on C, and that formula will now be copied. Now the cell itself, because it contains a formula, will not be copied as a data, but it'll be copied as formula. So let's say I want to click in over here on this very last piece of data. That's the solar filters, and I want to say Ctrl+V on my keyboard, and you will see that it'll give me the answer of this number minus this number. And there it is now being copied and pasted right over there. You can use this with any type of formula in Excel, and you can use it from sheet to sheet as well as on one single sheet. If this was helpful, go ahead, drop us a like, and we'll see you next time. Peace.